My country people, now welcome back to my channel. Still on BB Naija children, Phyna and Chizzy, they say we no go rest for timeline. And I remember say Chizzy don dey chase clout since yesterday. Im first come out come drop shippers list wey come cause fight between um Chomzy and Eloswag. Today na im don come back reshuffle the list come post another one. So as im come post am, Phyna come take Phyna fans and Groovy fans come start fight. Yesterday na Eloswag and Chomzy, today na Phyna fans and Groovy fans. Dem don dey fight since morning. I don talk about am for my previous video. So Chizzy na come out come make one statement dis evening wey Phyna come take reply again. Its as if the Chizzy guy im just dey find every means to take stay relevant. No matter the thing, im just wan make sure say im no comot from spotlight. As im no get fans na, the only thing wey be say e go fit do na to use other people wey get fans, wey get brand name take shine. So im come dey, as Phyna come announce say she don get her own blog, one thing she come make some kind announcement say if dem wan ship her, make dem ship her with 100 million, no be with man. Na im Chizzy come answer am come say take it easy on us abeg, I go ship oo. E come put two laughing emoji. Phyna come answer am say as Chizzy sweet boys dey Nigeria na, why you just wan ship me with BBN boys? Come put two laughing emoji. Ship me with human being abeg. So Groovy fans no like dis statement wey Phyna make, because na Groovy na Phyna dey shade. So Groovy fans come carry the thing for head o, come say the first person here come say Phyna shares Groovy. So Groovy no be human being again after you threa ten to beat my Shukura up cause of him. Another person come out come drop im own o. Another person come say if people are talking, Phyna should not talk. She begged Groovy like her life depended on it, begged him to love her. If she knows how embarrassing she was in that house, she will ignore Chizzy and his foolishness. The truth be say Chizzy just dey put fire for where e no suppose put fire. Im just dey push dem to go dey talk. When e don do that rubbish wey e dey do finish, e go come sit back dey laugh. E go sit down for there dey laugh because that one no get sense before. E go just sit down dey laugh. So another person come say we also have Phyna beg Groovy on live TV for his love and at ten tion. Well, I just hope say Phyna go ignore dis rubbish wey Chizzy dey do, because na just clout Chizzy dey try to chase, no be say na anything wey dey meaningful. So Phyna still come out for her live video dis evening wey be say she dey talk a lot of things, say she don open blog, say anybody wey wan hear any gist about her make dem go her blog. She even come still talk say she get YouTube channel wey she dey cook. So her fans come dey ask her say but you no dey do skit again. She say she never get chance, say she still dey engage with other things. How she wan take get chance for skit wey be say she dey do cooking, she dey do ushering work, she dey do she open one, she say na podcast. That one I no know wetin that one don dey do. Now she don talk say na blog she do. She say she dey sell cream, she dey sell cloth. Na wa o. I no get wetin I wan talk for that one. More grease to her ebo, na be the only thing wey be say I go fit talk. So Groovy fans na dey wait for Groovy make Groovy come reply Phyna for dis thing wey be say she call am say him no be human being. So I just hope say Groovy no go reply am, because Groovy no be person wey be say dey talk too much, even though say that boy I no really fan am because of the way im dey misbehave. But im no be person wey be talkative, so I no sure say im go reply Phyna for dis shade wey Phyna shade am. Also for her live video, some fans come dey ask Phyna say babe, why you talk say BB Naija show dey toxic? So she come out come drop her own 2 cents for the matter, wetin she mean. So she no even give better explanation, but I go just play the clip for una make una watch am.
BBN changed my life. But the people that vote, the whole everything is crazy, man. They don't want to let person enjoy it. But anyway, that's that. The fact that they're having fun, I think they have to go 2 months ago to go and do video. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. You like it on my grind. You like it. It's a really nice food. You can get it from
I don't hear wetin she talk now, so I just dey believe say I no know wetin dey. I no really know how I wan take table Phyna matter, because no matter how many times wey be say Phyna come out come apologize say she don change, she no go ever fit change. All of us for dis country go just need to accept Phyna, say Phyna na big brother naija portable. So we go just manage her the way we take see am and forge ahead with our life. She don already come, be say she don already come, we no fit throway am. So na so una take care, una bye.